Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Concept X. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss about the cardiac action potential conduction system of human heart. So the axial conduction system basically start from our SA node. So SA node, it possesses some kind of self-excitabilities and self-rhythmic tendencies. So from SA node, which is also known as pacemaker cells, group of pacemaker cells or group of cells which contains these self-excitabilities. So SA node, it generates those conductions towards the left atrium and towards the AV node. Towards the left atrium, it sends those signals through the Beckman bundles. So what is Beckman bundles? Let's suppose this is our SA node. So this is our SA node. So from SA node, this is our Beckman bundles. So this is our Beckman bundles. So Beckman bundles, some kind of fibers are there which generates from our SA node and it go towards the left atrium. So this is called the Beckman bundles. So another actions potential part is our interatrial muscle fibers. So interatrial septal muscle fibers. So interatrial muscle fiber means both, this is our right atrium, this is our left atrium. In this whole diagram I have only drawn those kind of fibers, I have not drawn any chambers or anything. So please try to understand that this is our right side and this is our left side. So upper part is, so green dot is there, so above that we have atrium and below we have ventricles. So this is our right atrium and this is our left atrium, and this is our right ventricle and this is our left ventricle. So SA node, it generates electrical signals and it sends to our left atrium via Beckman bundles, and from SA node those electrical signals are going to be received by our AV node. So this is our AV node. So this green, to here also same color I have used. So it is our AV node. So from SA node towards the AV node, electrical signals are come through the interatrial, here another term I have to add, interatrial septal muscle fibers. So through the interatrial, because this is the both two atria, so in the middle we'll call it as interatrial. This is a septum and the muscles, those are present at the septum, it is called the interatrial muscles. So few fibers are there, conducting fibers, and those fibers are called interatrial septal muscle fibers. So from SA node, those electrical signals will come directly towards the AV node via the interatrial muscle fiber. Then from AV node, which is present in our right atrium and slightly we can say it's interatrial septum as well, but towards the right side, and it is just our AV node is present, this is just anterior to the opening of our coronary sinus. So coronary sinus, and we will discuss that part in later on some other videos, but here point to be noted that AV node will receive the signals from SA node via interatrial septal muscle fibers, and AV node is slightly, it is present, main location is, it is present at the atrium, slightly towards the right side, and we can say it is present, and most of the cells which form the AV node are mostly resides in the interatrial septum, towards the right side of interatrial septum. So from our AV node, now the electrical signals will go towards the bundles of His, or this red group of cells, it's called as bundle of His. So bundle of His now going to receive the signals from AV node, and we can say the ending or the inferior part of our bundle of His is the initiation part of our interventricular septum. So bundle of V's, it is the group of cell which mostly present inferior to our AV node. So now AV node is going to sends those signals towards the bundle of V's. And one more thing, from SA node, when SA node sends those signals towards the AV node, our AV node is going to stop those signals for 0.1 second. For 0.1 second. And then after stopping it for 0.1 second, now AV node again going to send those signals towards the bundle of V's. And now the bundle of V's, it will send the signals through the right bundle branches and left bundle branches, and those right and left bundle branches are present. Why it is right bundle branches? This is our right bundle branches, and this is our left bundle branches. Why it is right bundle branches? Because this bundle branch is present towards the right side, and this is our left bundle branches because it is present at the left side. So both right and left bundle branches, they are simultaneously run through the interventricular septum. So this is the complete interventricular septum. So when bundle of V's will deliver those signals, those are received from our AV node, and it will sends those signals toward the right and left bundle branches, and those right and left bundle branches, they run through the interventricular septum. So both right and left bundle branches, they will go across the interventricular septum. So this is our right ventricle, this is left ventricle, so they will run across the interventricular septum. So this is our apex of our heart. So this is our apex side. So when it reaches the apex part, then our left bundle branch, it will go towards the left side of our ventricular wall, and this is our right side of ventricular wall. So left bundle branches, now again it will be delivered or transferred or sends those signals, those are received from our bundle of V's. Now those signals will directly, our left bundle branches is going to deliver those signals towards the left Purkinje fibers. So this is our left Purkinje fibers. So now the left bundle branches, it will run across the interventricular septum, and now it's going to deliver those signals towards the left Purkinje fibers. And this is the right bundle branches, which also runs across the interventricular septum, and finally it's going to deliver those signals towards the right Purkinje fibers. So signal generated from SA node, then those signals will go towards the left atrium via Beckman bundles. Then our AV node will again going to receive those signals via via those fibers that are present at the interatrial septum. So SA node, it will transfer the signal towards the left atrium via Beckman's bundle, and towards the AV node via interatrial septal muscle fibers. Then AV node will transfer the signals to bundle of V's. Then bundle of V's will going to transfer those signals towards the left and right bundle branches. Then again left and right bundle branches, when it reaches the apex of our heart, then it will again deliver its signals towards the left Purkinje fiber or right Purkinje fibers. So this is the overall electrical conduction system of human heart. If you like this video, then please do subscribe this channel and share the video. Thank you.